In the previous video, we uploaded this CSV, 100 MB CSV on the Chatgpt code interpreter. After that, we got some stats and then we got some useful information about this dataset. We got the sales with respect to category. We got the sales with respect to years. Now, in this video, we will see how Chatgpt can make visuals for us. So let's try a prompt. And here we got some charts, top 10 categories by sales, and the amazing things to note are here. If we can see the things here, the things doesn't seem like there is a huge difference in mobile and appliances, but if we just go here, you can see how much the sales is larger in mobiles and tablet, and after that how the sale is decreasing. Sale trend over the year from 2016 to 2018. In the 2017 there was higher sale and sales distribution. So Chatgpt generated these charts in less than a minute from that dataset. Now let's go to another chat window. In this chat, in the previous video we generated this dataset using Chatgpt. After that we uploaded the same PDF to Chatgpt and we got some stats from Chatgpt. Now let's get some visuals. Now these visuals are coming from the PDF. It gave us amount for each client and it generated a beautiful chart. Let's do some customization. That was not a good suggestion. However, we got the results. Stick with previous chart and show average amount as per line. Let's say what we get. Okay, so here it's wonderful. We are getting this same graph, but what I said is show average amount as a line. This is the average and these invoices are above average and these are below average.